Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen?
Oh, dude, I've done it! I can become a giant!
This is literally the biggest storm ever recorded here in Belgium. Whoa, I just had the most amazing experience. All right, so let's do this. Are you ready?
Yeah.
In today's video, we're going to see something pretty awesome, and that's how to explode your car. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Ignace, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to smash things in Adobe After Effects.